Hello and welcome to Mr. Lamb's Science Corner. Today we have a demo with an egg that you might have seen before, in that I lifted this borrowed from the internet, and somebody had some years ago had come up with an interesting way of separating an egg yolk from the white of the egg. So if you're, this was done in a baking context to whip up some lemon meringue pie or something like that. And I always thought that was pretty cool, and used it as a demo. So you may have seen this already, your kids may have seen this already, but it's a great one to talk about air pressure, and all kinds of good things. What you need is an egg. If you're going to separate egg, that's pretty important. A plate of some kind, okay, and then a water bottle. So I'm going to take the water bottle, and then the process is very simple. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to break the egg onto the plate. Okay? And then you're going to take the water bottle and you're going to squeeze it a little bit to reduce the volume. Put it down on the yolk. And that's all there is to it. So you have the white and the yolk, and then if you want to do this again, I would suggest that you pour out the yolk into, if you're going to use it, into a different container, another bowl or something like that. Or if you're not going to use it, then you just throw it away. I don't think it would be best if you tried to grab another yolk in the bottle. If you do, squeeze it first while the yolk is down at the bottom, and then, I've not tried this before, so then you can suck up another yolk. But I think it would be better if you put it somewhere else. But you can talk, like I said, about air pressure, in that why does the yolk move up into the thing? Well, the thing is that as you squeeze this, you're going to reduce the volume. The air pressure is the same because you have a hole here, okay? So the air is able to move in and out. So as you squeeze this, some air is going to rush out, so that the air pressure is going to be the same inside and outside, with like this. Then when you basically seal it by touching it to the yolk, and then when you release the pressure here, you're going to increase the volume of the air inside the container. And if it's sealed up against the yolk, then no air can go in, and so the air pressure is going to go down inside the container. The air pressure outside, staying the same, is then going to be higher than the air pressure inside, and it's going to push. It won't suck, because air can't suck, but air can certainly push. And so the outside air pushes the yolk into the container. Okay, so if you're talking about air pressure, this is a great little demo to prove that the air is capable of pushing things around. Now, they also know this from the fact that they've been in the wind. But a lot of times, especially young kids, don't necessarily connect wind to the air. Um, it's just one of those things. So it helps them to see that just plain old air also has a push. So anyway, that's a great little demo.